Hello friends, welcome to Talk. Today we're talking about the all-new Maruti Suzuki Eeco. Maruti brought their first MPV, the Omni, to India in 1985. It was followed by the Versa in the 2001. Intended to create a market for family commuter vehicle, the Omni became a huge success and is still on sale in Indian market. But the Versa bombed and was discontinued in 2009. The carmaker then replaced the Versa with rebadged low-cost version, the Eeco, hoping to rework the magic of the Omni. Maruti Suzuki says that Eeco is specially designed to suit Indian family and also the road condition in the country. The Maruti Suzuki Eeco does not look very different compared to its old the Versa. The only addition, the new body graphics on the sides, is that makes it look little more attractive than Versa. The sliding door make ingress and egress easy for the middle row passengers. It is very handy features in congested area and tight parking spots where the door cannot be opened completely. The interiors get familiar two-tone Maruti treatment in shades of beige and grey with artificial leather seat upholstery. The car provides ample leg room and headroom essential for MPV. The front seat get an integrated headrest moving over the instrument panel. The digital meter cluster is illuminated with amber light. Maruti has positioned the MPV as the basic utilitarian, even the music player is not part of the standard features list. The Eeco also misses out all the safety features due to the pricing. The vehicles come with 2-year or 40,000 km manufacturer warranty. All the variant of Eeco is powered by 1.2-liter petrol engine which gives a power output of 73 bhp at 6000 rpm and a torque of 101 Nm. This engine is mated to a 5-speed manual gearbox with diagonal shift assistance DCA that powers the rear wheel. The engine is positioned in the middle which improves the dynamic of the car. The 1096cc engine boosts of many technological likes engine management system which enhance performance as well as fuel efficiency. The array fuel efficiency figure are 15.1 kmpl for petrol and about 20 kmpl for CNG. Keeping in mind the condition of the road in India, the Eeco gets equipped with fully tuned MC% strut suspension on the front and a 3-link rigid suspension at the rear. The Eeco comes with 5-seater and 7-seater options. The 7-seater is available in only one basic variant, whereas the 5-seater is available in 4 variants. Basic 5-seater with AC plus heater, 5-seater with heater and CNG, 5-seater with AC plus heater and the CNG. The Eeco is sold in 6 different colors in India, namely Superior, White, Metallic Midnight Black, Metallic Silky Silver, Bright Red, Metallic Blue Blaze and Metallic Glistening Grey. The Eeco is a big car capable of moving not just people but ample amount of luggage. It is not direct condition, neither dimension or price. The Eeco is perfect example for India value for money. This is our review about the all-new Maruti Suzuki Eeco. If you have any comment or if you have any suggestion, please comment below the comment section. Thank you friends.